All right. Some people have joined. I'll wait for some more. Hello, 1000. Okay, fine. All right. Hello, everybody. Hello. I just want to say, oh my God, I have not done a live in a long time and I'm feeling very, shaky. I think I'm not good at this anymore. I think मुझे और आना चाहिए. Hi, Maria. Hello, Sonali. Jay. Hi, Yashasvi. Yashasvi, please be careful. Don't get corona from Raghav. And please take care. And I know he'll recover very soon. Miss you, Maria. Come back. Hi, Adi. Oh my God, everybody who I know is joining in. Hi, Ratika. How are you, Ratika? Hi, Sonia. Hello, Raj दादा. कैसे हो आप? मैं कॉल करती हूँ. इसके बाद मैं कॉल करती हूँ आपको. हाँ, I will call you. मैंने कॉल किया था, आपने उठाया नहीं. Anyway, moving on. Alright, okay. So guys, I am here to say thank you. A big thank you to everybody. आज मैंने 9 years complete किए इंडस्ट्री में. हालांकि मैं इंडस्ट्री में अब हूँ नहीं हूँ पता नहीं क्या है. अभी मुझे अपना लाइफ का सिचुएशन थोड़ा नहीं समझ आ रहा है. मैं यहाँ भी हूँ, वहाँ भी हूँ, इधर भी हूँ. So I'm everywhere. So thank you for all the edits, all the videos, all the messages, all the love. I don't think I would be coming on social media अगर आप लोग नहीं होते. Because फिर मैं क्या करती social media में अगर आप लोग नहीं होते. Not very social media friendly anymore. But I really tried. I did a whole Navratri thing for you guys. Even though मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा था कि मैं अच्छी खुशी वाली photos लगाऊं. Because it's not a good time. However, let's not digress. Coming back to the point that thank you for all the love. And I don't even know कि मैंने there's a lot of gratitude in my heart that I have you guys. So that will always be there. That's never gonna change. One more thing which I wanted to talk about was okay, so there are these two groups जिनके मैं कभी कभी मैसेजेस देखती रहती हूँ. दे सेंड मी पर्सनल मैसेजेस एज वेल ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. गाइज, ऑलरेडी दुनिया में बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हैं, ऑलराइट, और बहुत अग्रेशन है, और लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत बुरा बोलते हैं एंड पुट डाउन करते हैं. सो आई डोंट वांट माय सो कॉल्ड जो फैंडम्स आप कहते हो, आई डोंट वांट देम फाइटिंग. एंड प्लस फिर मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे वो मैसेजेस आते हैं दैट they are like this and they are like that and you're abusing each other. Guys, I really don't appreciate that at all. अगर आप मेरा सोशल मीडिया खोल के देखोगे या इंस्टाग्राम खोल के देखोगे, you will only see that I am talking about peace and I am talking about everybody should be harmonious. सब लोग एक साथ रह के एक दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट दे के लाइफ जिए. तो अगर ये मेरी सीख आपने नहीं सीखी तो फिर क्या सीखा दोस्तों? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट लव ईच अदर, या respect each other. You're all young kids. So please don't fight. Please don't abuse each other. Please don't have this negative vibe for each other. I love every fan page. I love every fan club. I love every fan. तो आप लोग प्लीज मत लड़ा करो. And another thing. See, Gaurav is a really good friend. So please don't troll him, guys. Just don't troll him. He's a really good friend. He's never done anything wrong. हम बहुत बार क्या होता है, मैं आप लोग की फीलिंग्स समझ सकती हूँ. आई अंडरस्टैंड. वी वर ऑल्सो फीलिंग रियली बैड जब बुरी चीजें हुई. बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आप बुरी फीलिंग रख के, स्पेशली कुछ अज्यूम करके, आप लाइफ में कहीं नहीं जाओगे. आप अपने ही दिमाग में घूमते रहोगे और आप एक नेगेटिविटी क्रिएट कर लोगे अपने लिए. सो प्लीज आई वुड सजेस्ट, डू नॉट गेट इन टू एनी नेगेटिव स्पेस. ऑलरेडी लोगों के पास इतनी सारी चीजें हैं सैड होने के लिए, तो हम एक दूसरे को क्यों अब्यूज कर रहे हैं. डोंट डू दैट गाइज, दैट्स नॉट नाइस. ओके, एंड दिस इज फॉर एवरीवन. If you guys, if you guys love me, then please, and because I love you guys, then please be nice. Be nice to each other. Okay? I hope इसके बाद आप लोग लड़ाइयाँ नहीं करोगे और अब्यूज नहीं करोगे एक दूसरे को, गंदी चीजें नहीं बोलोगे. I don't like that. Okay? Other than that, you guys are awesome. I love you all. And amazing videos, amazing edits again. Thank you. Alright, now I will take questions. पहले मैं थोड़े बहुत questions लूंगी. उसके बाद हाँ, I think I'll go like live with somebody. वो होता है ना, half and half. So you can send me requests, and whoever's request is like the loudest, I will take yours. Sorry, but loudest ही दिखेगा यहाँ पे. Hi Nidhi. Hi guys, hello. Thank you. Okay, questions, no questions. Thank you Nidhi. In Hindi. ठीक है. Trying to find questions, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा. How are you? I am fine. In fact, I'm very happy. आज मेरा बड़ा मोरल boost हुआ, where everybody was just too nice. You can see my stories. मेरे सारे stories में मैंने लिखा है, मतलब मैंने सारी stories share करी है. I hope if I didn't miss out, nobody's feeling bad. Thank you Sonali. Ratika. Thanks, Ratika. Okay. Thank you, little Dehradun stories. Thank you. Happy Ram Navami to you also. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Asmita Chand. Okay, you guys are asking पता नहीं क्या questions, but चलो ठीक है. Asmita Chand is asking, is your father-in-law a king? No, everybody needs to understand this. My father-in-law is not a king. He is a spiritual guru, and you can read up more about him on the internet. Thank you, thank you. टेक माई नेम. ये टेक माई नेम जो होता है ना यार, मैं बोल रही हूं, मुझसे सवाल पूछो. रितु गर्ग, वाई आर यू क्राइंग दी? यार मैं आई एम नॉट क्राइंग. आई थिंक मेरी शक्ल ही ऐसी है. Oh my god. Where are my like fan clubs? Where are you guys? Ask me like valid questions. Hello Ritu. मोरव स्पेशल कब आएगा? मोरव स्पेशल तब आएगा जब कोविड थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा और गौरव अब देहरादून आएगा. बिकॉज अब बहुत हो गया. गौरव मैं आके उससे बहुत बार मिल ली हूँ, सो नाउ ही हैज टू कम हियर. Okay, so Little Dehradun Stories is asking, when is your next vlog coming? My next vlog, I don't know when it will come, but I know that there is a next dance coming soon. I hope soon. All right, thank you for that. नेक्स्ट व्लॉग कब आएगा? शिल्पी मी, ओ माय गॉड, निंजा मम्मा. ओके निंजा मम्मा, नेक्स्ट व्लॉग एज आई सेड अभी नहीं आएगा, अभी पहले डांस आएगा. ओके, सो समबडी इज आस्किंग, सो हीर इज आस्किंग कि आपको साड़ी ज्यादा पसंद है क्या? तो मुझे बचपन से साड़ी बहुत पसंद है. एंड माई मदर यूज टू टेल मी कि तुम लिटरली 1.5 हड्डी की लगती हो एंड साड़ी तुम पे नहीं अच्छी लगती है. व्हेन आई वाज यंगर, लाइक मतलब आई मस्ट बी 14 और समथिंग, व्हेन आई वाज लाइक नहीं अब तो मैं बड़ी हो गई, आई वांट टू वेयर. सो मुझे तब से पसंद है. मैं बचपन से लाइक आई यूज टू सी माई ग्रैंड मदर, आई यूज टू सी माई मदर एंड एवरीबडी लाइक अराउंड मी वेयरिंग साड़ीज एंड आई यूज टू फाइंड इट वेरी फैशन. आई यूज टू फील कि मैं बड़ी होंगी तो मैं साड़ी कब पहनूंगी. And a lot of award functions or whatever, I wore a sari. My mother used to say, "फिर तुम साड़ी पहन रही हो." I've always loved saris, and I still love saris. Okay, so interesting. Srushti is asking, "What's your favorite brand of lipstick?" That's a very interesting question from me, but I really like Smashbox. Smashbox I really like. मेरी फ्रेंड तान्या, उसने मुझे सजेस्ट किया था एक बार Smashbox यूज करने के लिए, and I really like that. Hi Pompey, how are you? Hello Toshi, how are you? Thank you so much. All right. आशीष यादव, पहले तो मेरा नाम महीना नहीं है, मैं एक मंथ नहीं हूं, मेरा नाम मोहिना है. प्लीज प्लीज, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी कॉल्ड महीना. ओके, अच्छा आपका सवाल भी मैं नहीं बोलने वाली हूं. थैंक यू तोशी. ओके, मोर क्वेश्चंस. आप लोग के ना कुछ कुछ सवाल बहुत फनी होते हैं. हाय मोहित, आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू? Oh my god, Zainab. Hi Zainab. Zainab is asking, what's your fitness regime these days? Okay, my fitness regime is Suyash's elder brother's son, Shriyansh. वो भागते हैं और मैं उनके पीछे भागती हूँ. So basically, I am playing like a child these days with my nephew, and I think that's my exercise. And also I try to dance every day, so whenever I'm dancing तो I have to do a warm up, तो warm up में काफी workout भी हो जाता है. So that is my fitness regime these days. And plus अभी क्या हुआ, रामनवमी as in नवरात्रि थी, so this is the first time ever that I tried to keep all the 9 days fast, और वो आज टूटा है. What you really have to have like some patience to keep a fast like that, but I did it. It was my first time, so I think I'm going to do it again next time, because I think it's a good test of your will and your inner strength. So that also I think I would say worked quite in the fitness manner, because मैंने healthy ही चीजें खाई. So there you go, Zainab. This is fun. Not like I haven't done this before, but it's fun. आप जहां भी रहो खुश रहो. Oh, thank you, Raj Dada. Okay, fine. So your family is here. Hi, family, and tell us about COVID situation there. So कोविड सिचुएशन आई थिंक पूरे देश में ही काफी चल रही है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी सैड टाइम. बहुत लापरवाहियां हुई हैं, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ बिट रिडिकुलस, बट लापरवाहियां तो हर जगह हुई हैं. आई हैव सीन, मतलब क्या क्या ही बोलूं. जस्ट please everyone, stay at home as much as you can, and also if you have to go out, then please wear a mask. And please, अभी recently I was in Decathlon देहरादून में ही, and वहाँ पे एक बच्चा, छोटा सा बच्चा, he's just like roaming around here and there, and he was putting things in his mouth, and we are at Decathlon, we are at a store where there's so many people who are coming in and out, and वो बच्चे को कोई attend ही नहीं कर रहा था, and I'm like, what the hell? Then the mother came and I'm like, excuse me, please इनको mask तो पहना दीजिए, and उनका खुद का भी mask इधर था. So like we need to understand now, firstly, that what wrong we are doing. So it starts from home. So please, at least you guys, like जो भी देख रहे हैं यहाँ, if you all have a phone, if you all have internet, then you have the privilege to spread good information, to lead by example. Not much of lead by example is going on very well in our country, clearly. But I think it starts also from home. So if we don't have very good examples, set in front of us, then we need to start it. We need to start from home. All right. Tell about your journey. Okay, thank you, Toshi, for that. My journey, see, 9 years की journey मेरी शायद TV पे थी. शायद नहीं, मेरी TV पे थी. But before that, I started with Terence sir. I was in his company, and वहाँ बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. We were literally like interns. तो ये था कि we used to get to learn a lot at Terence sir's academy, in his company. तो वहाँ पे एक फैमिली जैसा माहौल हुआ करता था. वहाँ हमने बाथरूम भी धोए हैं, हमने सब्जी भी काटी है, हमने लोगों के बैग्स उठाए हैं, हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे काम किए थे जिन्होंने हमें काफी हम्बल कर दिया था. तो आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट टेरेंस सर गेव अस दैट काइंड ऑफ अ बिगिनिंग वेयर वी न्यू कि छोटे से छोटा इंसान कैसे काम करता है और क्या फील करता है. और and at the same time that always learning is very important. So you should always keep learning. So in my journey, I have definitely learned these two things. One is that आपको सारे काम आने चाहिए, आपको सब करना चाहिए, आपको सबकी फीलिंग्स जाननी चाहिए कि कौन क्या फील करता होगा. तभी आप एक हम्बल इंसान बन पाएंगे, तभी आप एक इंसान बन पाएंगे जो हमेशा हर किसी से कनेक्ट कर सकता है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग आई लर्न from the time I joined my dancing career. I started my dancing career till ये रिश्ता days where I was acting. तो ये दोनों चीजें कि stay humble and always keep learning. These are the two things, Toshi, that I learned in my entire journey, and I keep it with me. I'll always keep it with me for life. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Why you don't answer my question, ma'am? I answered your question. Let's see. Seeing you like this makes me emotional. Oh, thank you, Kish, Rashina. Obsessed. All right. Which is your favorite workout? Which is my favorite workout? My favorite workout is Surya Namaskar. I really like to do Surya Namaskar. Also, अगर आपने Surya Namaskar कर लिया, then you don't need to do anything else. So I think it's a lovely cheat exercise. आप Surya Namaskar, you do it like 10 times slowly, and you're sorted. Okay, Dirgha 99. When do you wake up in the morning? Dirgha, आपने पोल खोलने वाला एक सवाल पूछ लिया है. See, the thing is that I am a thinker. I'm constantly thinking, और मेरा दिमाग बंद नहीं होता actually. So दिमाग बंद ना होने का एक side effect होता है late nights. And late nights are mostly either reading something or watching something and or thinking something. तो आई फील कि रात में सब शांत हो जाता है. रात में everyone is in their own space and you have your own space, so you can utilize that time to be with yourself, to talk to yourself, if I'm not sounding psychotic. But so my point is that I sleep late a lot of times, so I try to wake up early. 9 o'clock तो हो ही जाता है, लेकिन so 9, I think 9 I wake up. I know I should be waking up around 7:30. I would prefer to wake up around 7:30, but वो रात में नींद नहीं हो पाती. So that's my poll call. and now I have lost track of where I was. मैम okay guys, firstly lives में मैं किसी के questions इग्नोर नहीं करती. मुझे नहीं दिख रहे हैं. मुझे सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिख रहे हैं. आई एम वेरी सॉरी. ऑलराइट, 1000 क्वेश्चंस आ गए होंगे रिमोरव पे, तो चलो एक का मैं जवाब दे ही देती हूँ. व्हाट इज इट? दीदी, डू यू मिस रिमोरव? सॉरी, आई मिस्ड योर नेम. आई थिंक आपने ये पूछा था कि डू यू मिस रिमोरव. ऑफ कोर्स आई मिस रिमोरव अ लॉट, बिकॉज yeah, we had a lot of fun together. It was amazing. And yeah, I miss Rimorov, of course. Oh wow, ये ब्यूटी टिप्स ले रहे हैं मुझसे लोग. I have no idea why. Okay, Shivangi 5793 is asking, what do you use in your hair? I oil my hair twice in a week. I wash my hair 4 times in a week. 4 times in a week. Otherwise it gets too dry. I use Moroccan oil. I use Moroccan oil before I blow dry my hair. और क्या करती हूँ मैं? That's about it. What else do I use? Mama Earth के products. कैस्टर ऑयल, मैं जो भी ऑयल अपने सर पे लगा रही हूँ, आई हैव टू पुट कैस्टर ऑयल इन दैट इज अ मस्ट. व्हाट एल्स? आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस. वाओ. ऑलराइट, होल्ड ऑन. थैंक यू. काफी लंबा. अच्छा, लाइव काफी लंबा हो रहा है. सॉरी. ओ माय गॉड, आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ लॉन्ग. I'll take last question, then I'll take I'll take some requests for joining my live. I don't do that much. Didi, when are you planning to visit Ujjain? Eagerly waiting to meet you. Thank you, Mohinadi Live. Ujjain, I really want to come to Ujjain. In fact, I want to go to each and every part of this country. And thankfully, due to the organization that I'm a part of now, there's so many ashrams all over the country that वो possible हो पाएगा. And I'm waiting कि corona खत्म हो, तो then I'll start my Bharat दौरा. I'll keep roaming around and seeing every place in India. Okay, last question. ये कुर्ता कहाँ से लिया? Listen, I'm not answering that question. I don't even remember मैंने कहाँ से लिया. Okay, Kishka Safar, did you like the journey video? Yes, I did. I really loved all the videos. Oh wow, what a question. जाने से पहले. Okay, Karuna Karkera is asking, were you bullied for being dusky? Yeah, all my life. I think ये इंडिया में एक बड़ी नॉर्मल सी चीज है कि अगर आप गोरे नहीं हो तो बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाती है लोगों को. लोगों की आंख में कुछ ऐसे होने लगता है. आई थिंक दुखने लगती है लोगों की आंख. मैं कहना चाहूंगी इस धरती के लोग भूरे हैं. आज अब तो दोनों गाने बन चुके हैं. देर इज अ आई थिंक ब्राउन रंग girl song and there is a brown munde song. So thanks to Punjabi culture and Punjabi songs, ब्राउन लोगों के लिए भी गाने बन रहे हैं. आई होप और गाने बने. आई होप और ब्राउन गर्ल्स, डस्की गर्ल्स स्क्रीन पर दिखें. बहुत मिसिंग है ये चीज. एंड yeah, I was definitely bullied. In fact, कभी कभी पूछते भी थे, अरे how are you like how is your skin so dusky, why are you so dark? And I'm like, what, really? ये कोई सवाल है किसी से पूछने का? Like I should ask you कि क्या हुआ, आपका कलर क्यों उड़ गया? थोड़ी धूप लो, थोड़ा कलर लो लाइफ में. हाँ, कोरे कागज की तरह दिख रहे हो. Now see, now I'm bullying गोरा पीपल. ठीक है, हमारी थोड़ी लेग पुलिंग बनती है. बट नो, सीरियसली गाइज, बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट चीज होती है. प्लीज मत किया करो. अपनी फैमिलीज को भी समझाया करो. बिकॉज आई थिंक ये जनरेशन से चलता आ रहा है. ये बहुत गलत चीज है. इट्स वेरी रॉन्ग. डोंट डू दैट. बिकॉज अ पर्सन्स पर्सनैलिटी, अ पर्सन्स heart, a person's soul, a person's intentions of what they want to do in life, how they talk to you, how they are in their life, that is what matters. Outer looks को I don't think मैंने ज्यादा कभी importance दी है और ना मैं कभी दूंगी. And I think आपको भी ये सीखना चाहिए. Especially you guys are young. All you guys following me are young people. So you all should keep this in mind, that outer looks never really matter. It's what you are inside that matters. Alright, what else? Guys, any special memory in Dil Dosti dance? Arey, the whole, thank you for that question, Divyanshi Agarwal 28. That was a nice question. Dil Dosti was an amazing time. बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है, but that was the first time I had started acting, and a lot of gratitude to the entire team of Dil Dosti Dance, to accept me so beautifully. Yeah, you guys were so nice to me. Kubar, Vrishika, in fact Shakti also came. Shakti to मेरी friend पहले से ही थी, but like all these other guys, Shantanu, all these guys were so nice, so accepting, and so loving, really. Massey, ये so many people. I can't start naming, otherwise सबको name करना पड़ेगा. Okay, I'm guys, please, fan clubs, again I'm telling you all, please, I don't want you all to fight anymore. Don't fight, don't abuse each other. No negative talks, no negative, nothing. Okay, so lots of love to you all. Now send me your requests. I will take a few requests. No. All right. How do I choose a request? बहुत लंबा लाइव है ये. Should I upload it or not? Guys, how do I take requests? Not like I have. All right. Ananya Rajesh Bhatt. All right. This is a little girl. Sweet little girl. Waiting for you. Can't get through. Oh my god, 3,000 people have joined us, and they're just looking at my face, looking at the screen. How exciting. Okay, Ananya Rajesh Bhatt, आप I think accept नहीं कर रहे हो, so I'm going to How do I do this? Oh my god. Okay. Found people. All right. I am going to take. Okay. Okay. Sonia. Okay. Sonia, I have sent you a request because I didn't know how to. I don't know if you've sent me a request or if I've. Hi.
I did. Hi, Didi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Sonia?
Just, just pressured with college work. Like, I'm literally asking people that we are in the middle of a deadly pandemic, and our college is more worried about our grades right now. How are you? How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm fine. And nice to see you.
I'm,
ये
I'm
बड़ा
not
लंबा
even
टाइम चला
prepared.
गया ना मेरा.
नहीं नहीं बहुत टाइम बाद है तो it was nice. बहुत टाइम बाद
एक्चुअली
हुआ
बहुत
तो
टाइम
अच्छा
बाद, which
लगा.
is why.
Yeah. A
Yeah.
lot of people are waiting. A
Oh
lot
my
of people
god.
are waiting.
How
Yeah.
nice.
So
I'm still not good with these lives यार. ये लोगों को join करवाना.
it's very weird and it's like talking to yourself because like बोलते जा रहे हो but like किससे बात किससे करो even though you know people are looking at you but like it's weird. So
I know.
how's life there? Didi,
Life
how's
is
life there?
चल रही है. Like there's like too much sadness around. We were praying for people, trying to keep yourself happy, trying to keep people around you happy, um,
Right.
trying to help as many people as you can. Yeah, that's
Mhm.
about it.
Yeah, I know,
So
right?
yeah.
I have been trying a lot to do something so that because like I can't go outside, right? So like
Yes.
because we need to stay home and stuff. So I've been trying to send messages and like put stories up with a motivating thing, and I hope it's helping people. But like the thing is that I've still seen so many people outside home. It's getting so annoying right now because
I know.
now my mother is a doctor, so she gets a call every day, and I can understand what is going out there. Like she gets a call every day, so, and it's painfully sometimes many of them are family and friends, and
Oh my
you
God.
can understand how it is. And then my
I'm sure you're
dad.
not even meeting your mom much.
No, no. Luckily, she's a pediatrician, so she doesn't have to go outside that much until there's a delivery or stuff. But then,
Delivery.
still getting a call every day is very hectic, and
I
like
know.
coming to know stuff, which is
I
so
know.
sad. And so it's been a very
I know.
difficult. Even I haven't been able to study for 2 days because of the anxiety that is causing, and to
Oh yeah.
think to so thank you so much for spreading so much positivity because I've always told you how much inspired I am by you, like how much positivity and love you spread around. So thank you so much.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sonia. Thank you. And thank you for joining my life. Lots of love to you and lots of positive energy to you as well.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
See you.
Yeah.
Bye and all the
Bye
best
bye.
for
Take
everything.
care.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
I don't know how to shut this. Huh. Okay, fine. Thanks. Um okay. She's right. Sonia's right. मैं बहुत time बाद आई हूँ. So I think I'm allowed a long, long life. Oh, how sweet. ये rebellion got my attention. So I've sent. So I've taken this rebellion's request. I think. Much. Rebellion is rebelling. क्या कर रहे हो भाई? Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
I love you, man.
Oh
I
my
love
God.
your work. Oh my God. I love your work. I'm 13 years old and I literally love your work.
Oh my God. Thank you
I'm
so
missing you
much.
on screen. I'm
Thank you so
literally
much. But why
crying.
aren't you
My
showing me your
God.
face?
I'm just crying my heart out right now. Oh my God. Love
Okay.
you.
What's your name, but?
It's Shaira.
Shaira. That's a beautiful name.
Yeah.
So thank you,
Thank you.
Shaira, for your love, and nice to
I'm
hear your
from
voice.
Pakistan.
Thank you,
I'm
thank
from
you.
Pakistan.
Oh wow, amazing. तो अभी क्या चल रहा है वहाँ?
I,
How's Corona situation there?
the same thing that is happening in India. Like it's lockdown
Okay,
all over here. Like also.
okay. तो आप लोग भी प्लीज मास्क लगा के चलो एंड
Yeah.
स्टे
Yeah.
एट होम. ओके.
Yeah, we are taking and just oh my God, I still can't believe you took me in the live.
How sweet. Very, very nice to. Oh,
Hi.
I can see you now. Hi, Shaira.
Hi. Oh
Nice
my
to meet
God.
you. How sweet. You have a very sweet smile. Thank you. Thank you so much. And you are
Love
very
you.
sweet.
Thank you. You are very sweet.
Very nice to meet you. And now I will
You
take
know,
the
you have
next
been my
person, okay?
inspiration. Yeah, you have been my inspiration for like so many years. An amazing dancer. Like,
So
my
many
God.
years. How old are you?
I'm like 14 right now, but I've been seeing you like for 4 years now. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I just love the way you dance. Oh my God, that's just amazing. Everything is just amazing. Your beauty, everything. Like,
Thank you. Thank you. Lots of love to you. Okay.
lots of love to you too.
Bye, Shaira. See
Bye.
you. Take care. Bye. You will have to shut it because I don't know how to. Okay, fine. Wow. So she's saying that Pakistan may be same situation hai, and so guys, everyone everywhere in the world, please just be careful. Let's try and not spread this everywhere. Okay. Last, Kavya. एंड गाइस जिनके मैं रिक्वेस्ट नहीं ले रही हूँ मुझे दिख नहीं रहे हैं. आई एम रियली सॉरी. अभी लाइव के बाद मुझे बहुत सारे थ्रेट्स आ जाएंगे. Alright, Kavya is not joining or it takes time to join. Okay, I'm gonna cancel it. This live is becoming super 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 long. I know कि सब लोग अभी भी हैं और वेट कर रहे हैं and the numbers haven't gone down. But I think I should now go and have my dinner since मेरा अब fast खत्म हो गया है. I really want to eat good food because you know that food makes you really happy and food is one big support during this time. And I I mean I don't, sorry, I zoned out because I started thinking about people who might be suffering and might not be having food. And I would, since that came to my head, I would just like to say that प्लीज गाइज हम लोग अपनी तरफ से कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एनीबडी इन नीड ऑफ फूड हम उन तक फूड पहुंचा रहे हैं. तो अगर आप भी ये कर सके, आई नो प्रॉपर लॉकडाउन वगैरह नहीं हुए हैं बट देयर आर पीपल हु डोंट हैव जॉब्स, देयर आर पीपल हु आर रियली सफरिंग. सो प्लीज आप अपनी तरफ से don't forget these things, don't forget to be a good Samaritan and good like human beings who help others. Please don't forget to do that. Help people as much as you can, but always keeping your safety in mind. ठीक है? Again, last but not the least, the most important thing, thank you, thank you, Thank you for these lovely 9 years. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for all your encouragement. Thank you for all your support. Because I am somebody, अगर मुझे encouragement ना मिले, अगर मुझे support ना मिले, तो I have 50% faith in myself, and the rest I get from people I have faith in. So this love should always keep flowing. Don't ever stop encouraging me, because I don't want that point to come where you guys aren't encouraging me. I don't know what I'll do. So again, lots of love to all you guys, all the Mohina fans, the Mohina addicted, the YRKKH fans, the Dil Dosti dance fans, the DID fans, the Jhalak Dikhla Ja fans. uh, all the things that I have done. The Remora fans, my family, the Mohina vlogs fans, all you guys. Lots and lots and lots and heaps and heaps and heaps of love to you guys. And the last question, Dirgha has asked, what are you reading currently? At the moment, I'm reading Chanakya Chant. And after a long time, I'm reading a fictional book, and it's fun. Okay, I'm not going to take any more questions. Thank you, everybody. Lots and lots of love to you all. And thank you for all the edits, all the videos, every single message. Even if I have not put a heart on them, I know that you have sent it to me with all your love, and I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy. And do good, be nice, do nice. Don't fight. Sorry, guys. Um, the Quiche fans and the Mohina addicted fans, please don't fight. Please, it's a huge request. Let's make that change from today. You guys are young people. You guys are dynamic people. You guys are the future of this world. तो प्लीज पीस के साथ रहो, एंड just give respect to each other. If you guys are my fans and you all love me, then love each other. Don't disrespect each other, and also don't disrespect my friends. Gaurav is a buddy. Please, he is such a nice guy. Don't disrespect him. Don't abuse on social media. Only spread good. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming into my live, coming into my life, and joining my live. And love you guys. Bye bye. See you.